All right, a lot of people had questions about Kaldheim, so let's talk about it. Today I'm going to take a look at the elven gods, called the Aenir, as opposed to the human gods, which are called the Skoti. And again, don't look to me for pronunciation of anything. In any case, the ancient gods of the elves were the rulers up until a few centuries ago when they were supplanted by the Skoti. Supposedly, they created some of the realms and also did things like seal the demons into the Immersturm. Their power was said to be heavily connected to Koma, which is how they derived their divinity. The only one we know of for sure is Lathril, and we don't really know when this card takes place. The Skoti used the magic axe Galdramel in order to split the elven people in two, which is how you got like the Wood Elves and the Shadow Elves. Tyvar Kell's brother Harold is a big deal, because he's the first king to reunite both halves of the elven people. What we know is that when the Skoti won the war against the elf gods, they imprisoned the 7 survivors in 7 trees across their realm. And these became known as the Jaspera trees in Skemfar. And Harold's vision for a united elf people actually came after like a night of sleeping in the roots of a Jaspera tree. So they still sort of communicate to their people, and they are just locked away for right now. There's a lot of cool details in the 2 Planeswalker guides to Kaldheim that mentions how they created Lityara, or Lityara, basically to help save these people from a tyrannical Jarl, and they shapeshifted them in order to hide them, and then the land became the shapeshifter realm because of that. It's also not clear now with Koma dead how much divinity they would still have, even if they got out of the Jaspera trees. And that's basically what we know about the elven gods. I'll talk about the human gods tomorrow.